Welcome to MedicoApps PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be discussing this IPQ. So this question was asked in the year 2024. And the question was, what could be the cause for the crossbite observed based on the tooth inclination shown in the image? So here you can see the developing dentition and the crossbite. I'll tell you what exactly is crossbite. First of all, let's see the option. So option A is maxillary arch constricted, normal mandibular arch. Option B was mandibular arch constricted, but the maxillary arch is normal. Option C was similar to option B, that is normal maxillary arch and expanded mandibular arch. So option B and C, they are same only. And option D was both maxillary and mandibular arch, they are constricted.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now let's see what exactly is crossbite. So concentrate on this last image first. Okay, here you can see a small video where the tooth is coming forward. Okay, so initially, right now it is in the crossbite state. Now when we see it from the lateral view, this is the lateral view. Ideally, maxillary teeth, they overlap the mandibular teeth, but when it's opposite of that, then it is known as crossbite. It can involve the all the anteriors, or it could just specifically involve the one anterior, right? Now the you can say the basic reason for that is either the crowding or the constricted maxillary arch, which was your option A. Okay, now here is the image before treatment and here is the treatment. Here is the image for the post-treatment. Now here you can see the constricted maxillary arch. Okay, so maxillary arch is like this and mandibular arch is like this. But we want it to be like this. So in that case, what we need expansion of the maxillary arch so that a teeth can accommodate in proper class 1 occlusion. Now coming back to our question, so the correct answer is maxillary arch is constricted and we need to expand the maxillary arch, but the mandibular arch is normal, so we don't need any changes in the mandibular arch. I hope you got the concept now, and now you can differentiate between the different options. It was very simple, but just it needed your attention that what exactly is needed and what is the phenomena for the crossbite, right? Thank you.